Hello, my name is Ken King with Tom Reddit Food Service Solutions. Today we're going to talk about the Waring Commercial WSB38X Immersion Blender, also called the Bolt. The Bolt has a few unique features. First of all, it's cordless, so it can go anywhere in your kitchen. Second, it has 5 operating speeds from 5,000 to 13,000 RPM. The Bolt is very easy to operate. You simply remove the battery pack from the included charger and snap it into place on the motor. The operating shaft fastens very easily into place. The 7-inch shaft is triple sealed and is dishwasher safe. As you can see, it's easy to remove. The Bolt can mix up to 3 gallons of product, and with multiple speeds, 5 speeds, can be used for multiple kitchen tasks. Simply push the operating button, push the safety button on the back, and with multiple speeds, it can be used for multiple kitchen tasks. As you can see, the 5 speeds. To increase your efficiency, you can order the Bolt with a second battery so that you can use it continuously. The Waring Commercial Bolt, the WSB38X, comes with a charger and a storage bag, and that second battery if you like. Does a great job blending. Ask your preferred equipment and supply dealer for details and pricing. This is Ken King with Tom Reddit Food Service Solutions. Make it a great day.